Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's a Friday and I'm still having my morning coffee. The time is far spent. It's almost 11 o'clock and I have a couple of things to show you today. But anyways, first of all, introduction. Welcome you guys. Please don't mind my background. Don't close your eye to anything you see out of place because I can't be stressed. Everything is scattered. Everywhere is scattered. Thankfully, this morning I woke up like a normal human being. I didn't have to run after the bus. The bus did not have to leave me behind. But I'm loving it, you guys. I am loving it. At the moment, I'm just trying to put my thoughts together and prioritize the contents that I have to unbox today. So this is one of those days when I just go and batch create. The time is fast spent and I need to get a crack on. And I know it's probably not a good idea because I have quite a number of clothes to put on today. And I've eaten. It's almost 11 o'clock and I've eaten jollof rice and egg. But Okono laughing get it, meaning that it's the strength of inside that we're using to carry the one of outside. I should be teaching you people Yoruba on this channel. But anyway, you guys, that's besides the point. Welcome you guys. Today is going to be content day. To carry on with the rest of the video, I have to go and put on makeup. Last night I also washed my hair because do I even dare say it? I've had cornrows in my hair for 6 weeks. So you can imagine the dirt. When I say the water was brown, like it was dirty, I'm sure I even had some dandruff, like with the amount of build-up. But you guys, that just goes to show that I had neglected my hair for the longest and just capitalized on wigs. Speaking of which, I have to wash my wigs. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to tell you that before I go ahead to actually start creating the content. Anyway, you guys, Black Friday is coming. Please, what are we buying? I'm even sure this video will come out after Black Friday, but what am I even stressing myself for? Anyway, you guys, what did you guys get for Black Friday? Let me mark it for next year Black Friday, or maybe there will be another Black Friday that's coming that I don't know, or maybe even Cyber Monday. But even then, I know this video will be out after Cyber Monday. But anyway, you guys, let's go and put on makeup. I finished my coffee, but that means belts to the rescue because this one that I'm going to go and eat rice and egg. Anyway, you guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. Please, as you're just entering, as you're coming in, please be liking, so that you too can be suggesting my videos to other people.
To be honest, you guys, at the start of 2023, I was in between jobs and I was looking for another employment with a different time frame compared to what I was used to working in the past, and it took me quite a while, and I carried you guys on my journey. Even when we moved to the village, I shared my experience searching for jobs and just looking for something that was a little more in line with what I wanted in terms of the working hours. And when I got this job, it was just a confirmation, you guys. This is how soft the work is. I had time to go and goof around in the bathroom. God has just given me speed in this job, and it did not just come the way I thought it was going to be. It came in so many unexpected ways, in the sense that God just came through for me. He granted me favor with my colleagues.
You guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another day. And I've resumed work for about how many hours now? I've been at work for about 2 hours, and my life as an influencer has followed me to this place, you guys. I've been at work, but I've also been responding to emails from brands, and a part of me wants to be at home so that I can concentrate and make YouTube money. But I also need to make this money and build a career. At this point, it is way.
There was a lot of adjusting to do because I was constantly missing my packages. I loved the job I was doing, but I also missed, working YouTube and having that flexible time to create content during the day. But God came through, you guys. Promotions everywhere.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. You guys. Where do I even start from? God has been good. God has been very good to me. You guys, if I tell you that I understand my mind, well, I'm not even joking. Different background and everything.
It's been almost 2 months working here, and the amount of favor that God has shown me, the amount of speed that I've received in this job without experience, it can only be God. It can only be God. It happened really quickly, and it happened so in the space of one day. It's only good news, honestly. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Everyone who has been leaving really kind comments and prayers, God bless you. My heart blesses you. Because is it me that I was looking for work less than 2 months ago? When I was looking for work, I'm the one that is now. I'm the one that is now employing people. It can only be God. It can only be God, honestly. So the long and the short of the story is that our recruiter suddenly left and the spot suddenly opened up, and my manager just asked if I was willing to take on the job in addition to what I was currently employed for. And who am I to say no? I felt like it was just God giving me an opportunity to shine in another department. And as soon as I started working there, the amount of productivity I've had as a recruiter has been overwhelming, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity and the experience. It also looks good on my CV. Let's just go straight to the sponsor, or one of the sponsors of today's video. I got this amazing office desk. This is the E7 office desk from Flexispot. I got this a while ago, and the setup was really easy. I had my husband's help because this thing was heavy. You guys, will put this together really quickly. I selected the white desktop and the silver frame, and it came together really quickly. I love the fact that I could use this desk standing or sitting. It can save some settings on. It is really easy to use. I love the fact that all the cables are tucked away nicely underneath, and I don't have to bother about all that moving wire and everything. It's really easy to use, very sturdy. I also seen online that people use this for workouts and just use this for a couple of functions, so I'm really excited about all of that. I love how sleek it is. The link to this product will be in my description box along with my discount code for you guys to patronize them. I can assure you guys, you will be getting correct value for your money. This is such an amazing product. I can get to work sitting or standing. I really love it, you guys. I really love this desk. It's one of the best gifts I've gotten this year. I got this desk in a 120 by 80 centimeter, and it is such a great space for me to work and share this space with my husband as well. I'll give this one a 10 out of 10, hands down. Again, I got a couple of items from Rosewe. Rosewe is no stranger to us here on the channel. They have sent us some clothes in the past, but these are from their Christmas sales collection, and this is one of the pieces I got. I got this really lovely velvet and sequins dress. It came with a velvet belt, and this is what it looks like. Really nice. The neckline is a bit lower than what I'm used to, but this is what the dress is. I will most likely be putting this on with a camisole because that neckline is just too revealing for me. But anyway, you guys, this is what it looks like. Absolutely love it. It is really, really gorgeous. It's a statement piece as well. This is probably what I will put on to a formal or semi-formal event. But yeah, all right, so the next product I got is this really lovely fleece jacket. I love how woolly it is, and it is super warm. This is what it looks like inside. It is properly lined, and it is just so great to wear. It pairs really nicely with this dress, and this is what it looks like. I chose this in the size extra large, and that is a UK 16. Really love the cut. I love that it's not too long like a trench coat or anything like that. It has just one button, and this is what it looks like. Really love the feel of it. I chose this in a bigger size because I wanted to be able to layer up during winter. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Really love this jacket. Really love it. I can wear it as a formal or an informal dress. And then I got this two-piece. This is a jumpsuit and a cape. I love that this is something that I don't have, and it's kind of new to my wardrobe. I love the fact that it has this really droopy cape. It has a thumb tag that you could just secure the front part with. It also came with this brooch, very nice brooch. Yeah, I don't like the fact that I can't use the pocket, especially now that it is winter and my hands tend to get cold really quickly. Yeah, so that is the cape. Really love how flowy it is. I love the wide feet. I love the fact that my leg has room to move. I can also layer up underneath because it is a very light material. This is what it looks like. I really love it. I also got this one that you might have seen in a vlog from Vlogmas. Love this fabric. I don't know what the top is. I think it's some kind of lace. I love it. Is a jumpsuit. I love the leg. It's a wide fit as well. I love how this dress sits on me. It's such a playful dress, playful jumpsuit. Really love it. And then I got this, it's a fleece lined leggings. I think that's what you call this. Really love it. It's long enough. I got this in a size extra large, and I love that it is so warm. I can put this on with anything and still feel very warm in it. So I'm just pairing this with a top that I have from before. This top is not from Rosewe, by the way. And this is what it looks like with a Christmas jumper. I absolutely love it. So all these items will be linked down in the description box along with my discount code to patronize them, and I'm sure you'll enjoy all the amazing collections. Thank you again to everyone. I'll see you guys in the new year.